Hi y'all, Carrie D here, host of Coffee with Carrie Homeschool Podcast and the author of Just Breathe and Take a Sip of Coffee. You can't see my face today because I'm doing a series of some of my favorite math games that you can play with either a simple deck of cards or with a pair of dice. So this game is called Math Trek. And the object of the game is to start at the base of the mountain, work your way all the way up to the top, and then be the first one to get to the base of the mountain. Now this game is a lot like math bowling, in where you're rolling 3 dice and you're trying to use those numbers any way you can to knock out the numbers. The trick to Math Trek is that you have to do it in order. Okay? All right, so this is my game board, and then my son and my daughter would also have their own game board. So they have their own hill or their own mountain that they're trying to get up and over, okay? So it's my turn. I roll 3 dice. I have the numbers 2, 5, and 4. And I could use these numbers any way that I can to try and knock off number 1. Remember, I have to start with 1. So let's see, I can do that with 5 minus 4 equals 1. So I'm moving up the hill, all right? Now, can I knock off 2? Yes, I can. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I'm still moving up the hill. Can I mark off 3? Again, 5 minus 2 is 3. All right, can I do 4? Let's see. If I go with I'm a younger student and I rolled a 4, I can cross off 4. But let's see, 5 and 4 and 20 and okay, so let's just say that I can't do 4. So now my son goes, he rolls his 3 dice, he's trying to get up his hill, okay? It's my turn again. I already got up to 3, so I'm now working on number 4. So I roll 6, 3, and 2. So let's see, 6 minus 2 is 4, so I can do that one. And 3 plus 2 is 5, I can do that one. And 3 times 2 is 6. Look at me, I'm at the top of the hill. Now I need 7. So let's see, 6 plus 3 is 9 minus 2 is 7. I got that one done. Let's see, can I do 8? Let's see, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And no, I don't think so. 8, 3 minus 2 is 1. And nope, so I'm not gonna be able to do it, I don't think. So then my son goes and he tries to keep going up and around his hill. All right, so now it's my turn again. I roll the dice. I roll this time a 6, 2, and 5. I'm trying to get the 8, which I can. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now I'm trying to get the 9, so I can say 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 2, that's 9. And look at that, 5 times 2 is 10. So it looks like I was the first one to go up over the hill, down to the bottom of the hill in order. So that is how you play Math Trek. Have fun.